I was looking for the best way to teach this particular hack because it's too tricky, and then I finally found this. So to create this beautiful top, you are going to fold your scarf into two, and then you're going to again turn this scarf the way you see me. Look at, it's not straight, look at how it slants. Then you add your belt as you can see me do. So properly add your belt carefully. Just take your time, no rush. I got you. I decided to make this video a bit slow so that you guys will understand what I'm doing here. Adjust it properly and make sure that you folded the scarf equally, and then you tie the belts on your waist. After that, you proceed to bring back the scarf to the front and adjust properly. Can you see how it's looking at the back already? If you're able to read this process, then you are done, because the work here is to just get that back to look like that. Adjust the front properly and make sure it's okay. Then loosen the belt and tie it over the scarf. So look at how cute the top is already looking. This is so beautiful. Tie it so it's going to be tight. The more comfortable it is, and the more tight it is, the more comfortable it is rather. Oh, this is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. If you just take this step, yours is going to come out this way and even better. Okay, adjust it. You can decide to use a safety pin to hold the your chest part, or you put on a tube. Okay, look at how beautiful this top is looking. This is a nosew. You can wear this anywhere. Understand? It's so beautiful and comfy. And then we are done. So I decided to play around to see if I can make something, another top or something, and I played around and I got to make something like a crop top, but I don't know if it's nice. So I folded the remains of the scarf into the belt and I adjusted very well. So look at what it gave me. So I want you guys to be the judge right now for this particular one. What do you think? Is it a yes or a no? Do you like it or do you not like it? It's beautiful, but I think it's because of the pop out there. Is it beautiful? I really want to know. Right now, I don't know. You guys do well to support your girl by sharing this video and subscribing to my channel, and follow me up on other of my social media handle. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.